Some super practical tips for living at home. Learn to make your life easier. 1. Cut a T on the box with a paper cutter. It's easier to lift the boxes this way. 2. When sealing with tape, roll up the end a little. It'll be easier next time it's uncovered. 3. The red wine cup is covered with new socks. It won't break easily when put in the box. 4. Put the seasoning into the pan. More space saving. 5. Cover your summer clothes in large storage bags. The rope was looped over the hanger. Sealing the mouth will prevent dust from entering. 6. When the plates are stacked, add a paper tray in the middle. Prevent accidental breakage. More space-saving storage. 7. Wrap a plastic bag over the bottle. Then screw on the lid again. Put it in your backpack and don't worry about spilling out. 8. Dip your finger in water. The shell can be easily removed from the egg liquid. 9. When cutting up some of the more flavorful ingredients, it is inevitable that some unpleasant smell will remain on the hands. Just rub it on a stainless steel object a few times. It's easy to get rid of the smell. 10. The meat in the fridge is frozen to ice. Put it between the two pots. Pour hot water into the upper pan. It can thaw quickly and keep the meat fresh. 11. Don't panic when the sink is blocked. Find an empty bottle. Add the white vinegar and baking soda to the water. Insert into the drain hole. Then squeeze it hard. It's back to normal. Pay attention to me and learn more life skills.